Alright guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today what we're doing is the Pokemon Legendary Forces of Nature GX Premium Collection Box. You get a pin, you get a coin. He actually looks pretty mean right now. He's looking pretty mad because he's saying, why haven't you opened this? So we're going into this. We get, what is it, 6 packs? I have no idea. I can't wait to get into this, so let's do it. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's cool. I can do my unboxings on top of this now or something. Maybe. Got the coin right there. Let's pop this bad boy out. Look at that guy. He is pretty mad. He's still saying to me right now, open, open. Oops. Pretty nice little pin. Goes with the collection. Oh, it actually comes in two little thing. Oh. So they don't break, right? So we have a Thunderous GX and a Tornadus GX. These are the promo cards you get with it, obviously. They're not the best cards, but they're pretty cool cards to get with. So, we get Forbidden Light. We get Crimson Evasion. We get a Sun and Moon base set, which I'm not too fond of, but, you know, we got Evolutions. We have another Forbidden Light, and we got a Guardians Rising. Look at that. Legendary Pokemon Giant card. And for you guys who play the game, there's the code card. Let me know in the comments what you get with this. I'm kind of curious to know if this is even worth you guys getting. Alright, I'm going to start off with this one here, the base set of Sun and Moon, because I'm not really too fond of this. I can't really pull nothing good out of this, so why not get the worst pack done first? It took me going to the Dollarama Tree pack to get an actual GX. Go figure, huh? Alright. Code card, let me know what you get. 1, 2, 3, I think it's 4, I believe. I'm not too worried because I'm probably not going to pull nothing great out of this. Oh yeah, I forgot they had the energy game here. Alright. So we got that. We got a Torcat, Poison, Barb, Dragonair, Royet, Cosmog, Lillipup, Wingull, Snubbull, Reverse Rare, and the rare is... See? Not even holographic. Alright guys, I'm going to jump right into the evolution. I was going to save this one until more the end. I'll do the evolutions, save the Forbidden Light till last, and then I'll go Rising, Crimson Invasion. So, I should leave this to last because I love these cards, but I just can't wait to get into it. It's really hard to pull, this part. I think this one's 3, pretty sure. We'll find out in a second. Alright, we got a Porygon. We got a Full Heal Trainer. Poliwhirl. Charmander. Ratatatatata. Caterpie. Magnemite. Voltorb. Reverse Rare is a Haunter. And the rare. Doug Trio, non-holographic. Alright, Sun and Moon, Guardians, Rising. Let's do it. Four. Is this energy game? If it is green. I wasn't too sure. I think this had it, but it is what it is. Altar of the Moon. Mallow. Altar of the Sun. I'm a chomp. Look at him, he's flexing it. Helio. I can't say his name. Murkrow. Alolan Sandshrew. I'm a chomp. Reverse rare. Litwick. And the rare. Holographic. I can't see this guy's name. But it's a cool card. Alright. Crimson Invasion. There's your code card. Let me know what you guys get with this, if it improves your game if you play the online game. Let's see. Fire. Alright. Diggersby. I'm a While. Countercatcher. Cubone. Execute. Magikarp. Machino. Corpish. Reverse rare is. And the rare. Maybe some magic. Ooh. Alolan Morowak. Cool looking card. Alright guys, we're going into the 2 Forbidden Light packs. So are you guys ready? Are you ready? Four. I believe this is it. Oh, I forgot it gets the energy game. I probably said purple regardless, but Cliffy, Uxie, Lady, definitely a lady. Bunningly, Honage, Execute, Noabat, Magnemite. Ooh, that's pretty impressive. I got a Diamond Star card. Let's see. Non-holo rare. I think that should have been the last card. Alright, last pack. Let's do this. Let me know you guys getting these codes. 3, 4. Let's see. Purple. Ah. Alright. Azelf. Tyrant. Ultra Recon Squad. Furfro. Litleo. Fennekin. Cluncher, I guess. Binnacle. This is the reverse rare is a Froakie. Let's see. Am I gonna get anything? Holographic Delphox. Alright guys, there's the outside card. This is the last code from the box that I didn't show in the beginning of the video, so I'll leave that there. Let me know what you guys get with any of these codes. I'm kind of curious. If it helps your game out, I'll keep doing them. If it not, maybe I'll just apply them myself and see what happens, kind of thing. But I really don't want them. I just want to know if you guys got some good product with it, like good cards for the online game. If it helps you out, definitely let me know. Smash the like button if you haven't already. Look for more of these videos and share this video with your friends too. I'm going to be doing a ton of unboxings, so I'll see you next time. Peace.